is for fish. F I S H. Let's say it one more time. Fish. F I S H. Fish. F is for fish, swimming in the sea, darting through waves, so happy and free, with scales that shimmer in colors so bright. They glide and they dance, what a sight! Fish live in rivers, lakes, and streams, or oceans so deep, full of dreams. From goldfish in bowls to sharks that are sleek, fish are quiet, but far from weak.